Hello guys, welcome back. My Villa Plantation, Florida, Sifu Milos, Drakulic. David with his channel, Martial Arts Patterns. Very good guy. So today I'm going to show you why the Poon Sao practice, the Yao Sao, is so important. So what is Yao Sao first, okay? Yao Sao's Poon Sao is rolling arms. And Yao Sao is switching the position of the hand and the forearm. That's Yao Sao. Then we roll. And again here, you see I'm switching the positions of the arms to give him the impression of, are his arms in the right position? Okay, can I do something? I try to find a gap here, okay? And when he's pretty good in that, then I have to go over to Chi Sao, which is free the center line and so on and on and on, okay? But Yao Sao, this Yao Sao practice is very important for what? If he is a grappler and I put my arms out, okay? The system Wing Chun does is this here. We don't do things like this, or we don't do things like this. There are Wing Chun styles that do this. I don't do this. The whole pattern of Wing Chun tells you, don't ever do this. Don't bow. Don't expose one of your legs when it's not needed, because now he has a primary target. Why should I do this? Okay? I want to give him no target at all. So he has to overcome now my arms. Why? My arms are towards his face. So slow motion, what would you do? You see this, what he got to do? He wants to make space to get in. And the Yao Sao movement refers to this. Slow motion again, you see? Okay? Do it quick. And he freezes. Why? Guys, please, common sense. If someone starts to thrust something in your face, you freeze already. Otherwise, no boxer would have a guard and big gloves. No one, even bare knuckle, when you see them hit in the face, they retreat, they try to reorganize. Okay, so a little bit of common sense. Oh, I would. I don't think you would something after that like, oh, I would resist. If you're that tough guy, come here and show it, okay? So, back to the explanation. You see, this point is he violates my wrists, Yao Sao, wrist shifting. So, reshape your position, attack. Because he wants to come in. He don't want to stick to my arms. His purpose is to go in and go for my body. And in Wing Chun we say, let him fight my arms, never let him fight my body. You see that? Even if his head goes more down, people might think like, okay? The other thing is, if he tries to get even closer to violate my forearms more, yes. So the same thing, I learned to roll with my forearms to do something here. You see that? Again, here it is. Here it is, okay? And what I'm gonna show you today, it's only basic stuff. I don't show anything pretty advanced or way sophisticated that Wing Chun has, from all the beauty sections, wooden dummy, all of this, okay? Maybe I'm gonna do something that you would like, maybe wooden dummy more. Here it was. Small wooden dummy exchange. Look guys. How does it feel?
Not good.
You see that? Boom, that was it. Okay? But today is only about basic stuff. Yao Sao is basic stuff to assure you that with the basic stuff, you are good to go. Okay? With the basic stuff, you're good to go. Okay? The next thing what is important is the footwork. Because maybe you were too late. So he did that and you wanted like to do that, but you were too late. So to avoid him coming in, just do chomp Q form with your back step. You see that? And I'm still, you see, maintaining this position, which I learned from the Poon Sao movement. If he wants to come in here, again, it was always the footwork. You see? Let's go again. It's the footwork.
Can I try again?
Yep. It's again the footwork, you see? Okay? Today I'm going to show you in this video what I do. In an additional video for the inner circle, become a member, I'm going to show you exactly where to find it in the form and how to practice it very precisely, because this is what what you have to know. Today I'm just going to show you the basic stuff, how it looks like and where to find it, not how to find it and how to practice it, okay? That was the footwork. The next thing is, he came in and now I have this, right? Okay, so I violated even being properly out using my footwork. The second part of the form is the turn. Okay, I think we have to do it this way. Which is this chump Q form turn. Okay, and then you can go from there. Slow motion. Whatever you want to do here, you can execute. Okay? Pick another entry. I'm gonna let you close to my body.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. You see? And this all works. When you let it happen, this all works. Here it is. Look. This is just footwork, okay? So again, you violated even your proper footwork. He gets in, he lifts you. We learned in Wing Chun how to drop down and how to get up. Let's do it again. Okay? When you learn properly, I'm going to show it and explain this in the inner circle, how to practice it properly, how to get down in Wing Chun. You see, I don't have to catch my body when I drop down. I immediately can do what? Kick. Because he has to hold on to my leg, I can kick easily, okay? I can kneel him in the face while I'm on the ground. And so what we're going to do now, we're going to go step by step. I'm going to avoid first, then we go from there, and then we go from there, and then we go from there.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Any attack?
Any attack. Avoidance. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Okay? So from here, even from here, wants to do something. You see, that's the famous bar arm of Wing Chun. Okay? The famous bar arm of Wing Chun. You want to do something from here. And you see, guys, I avoid as much punching as I can to just show you how the whole system, based on Poon Sao, Yao Sao, you can go and apply for how to abandon force a little bit, how to roll a bit around. But you have to practice it like that. Okay, so let's go back to the most important practice, what I explained to you today. Poon Sao, then we do the whole Yao Sao motion. Here it is. You see that? This is what it is about. Exactly. Okay? This is a practice you need to do as much as you can. And the good thing is, I always have students, they try to make mistake on purpose to check if Sifu is aware enough to correct the position. David, martial arts parents, Sifu Milos, my Implementation, Florida. Come and experience the best.